here's how to fix slow download speeds in Windows 11. First, open the Start menu, search for Settings, and launch it. From the left panel, click Network and Internet, then select Wi-Fi. Open your current Wi-Fi connection, scroll down, and find the metered connection option. Make sure this feature is turned off, as enabling it can limit data usage and reduce download speeds. After that, close the settings window. Open the Start menu again, search for data usage, and open Data Usage Overview. Scroll down and click Data Usage to see which applications are using your internet connection. Review the list carefully. If you find applications that you no longer use or don't need, uninstall them if appropriate. Some programs may continue running in the background and consume network bandwidth, which can slow down your downloads. Next, open the Start menu, search for Control Panel, and launch it. First, change the View By option to large icons. After that, click Network and Sharing Center. Select Change Adapter Settings from the left panel. Then, double-click on your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection to open Properties. Here, select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties. Here, select Use the following DNS server addresses, then enter the following values. In Preferred DNS Server, type 8888. In Alternate DNS Server, 8844, then click OK to save the changes, then close all open windows. Now open the Start menu, search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command, ipconfig/flushdns, and press Enter. This will clear your DNS cache and refresh your network settings. Finally, if you're connected to a VPN, disconnect it and test your download speed again. A VPN can sometimes reduce download performance depending on the server, location, and network conditions. After completing these steps, check whether your download speeds have improved. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.